Hello again, Crypto Insane, just bringing you some updates on some of my previous videos. Before I start though, I just want to give you this disclaimer again. We have to tell you this because it's part of this YouTube thing now, and we have to do it. So yes, these platforms are high risk, high return. I'm giving you my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial consultant. It's just my ideas and the journey I'm going on. You should make your own decision and do your own research and due diligence. So basically just a few updates on the platforms I've been in recently. So yeah, we're going to start with the arbitrage bots. Now recently, as you can see, we're on a Telegram on a desktop. This is accessible on the desktop, or you can access it through your mobile phone as well. But yeah, just a little note here. Recently they seem to be having some withdrawals issues, and some people claim that they're not getting their withdrawals on time, but the guy who runs it, Phil, is saying that they're working on this. And currently I'm in the chat now, the Telegram chat community message, and he's actually, as you can see, he's blocked the chat due to a lot of FUD. Basically, you know, people talking about why they're not getting their withdrawals. And yeah, so at the moment, I mean, I've been in the LTC bot now. I mean, I've not tried to withdraw, but basically if we just go back to our history again here, I'm still receiving the payments as it's specified on the screen. So what I will do, I'll probably try to do a withdrawal later on today, but my aim now is just to reinvest for the time being. But just hoping that these you know, there's no real issue with these bots. I mean, they've been going for several months now with people, and they seem to make a lot of profit and they've withdrawn. But I think they've been upgrading the system and doing some sort of work here. So yeah, let's just hope, because as you can see, if you see through some of the previous chats on here, there's a lot of FUD going on. People are not getting their withdrawals of TRX, but as he said that the deposits and withdrawals of TRX are back to normal now. Pending withdrawals will be processed when we find out the system is stable. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with them, but like I said, everything here in crypto is a gamble. Yeah, so that's that's arbitrage bots, in the LTC bot and the Litecoin bot. And yeah, that's just a quick update, giving that to everyone. I think they've also created a few extra bots as well, so maybe they're trying to migrate the system over. I think they created the Dogecoin bot and things like that, so maybe they're working on. And I think recently, last week, they had a backup website which they was trying to use as well. So I'm not sure what that meant or what they're doing, but yeah, this is crypto, and you just have to be wary sometimes. But yeah, I mean, so far it looks like they're paying out. Some people are paying out, and some people are not getting their payments. But let's wait for a few days and see, because recently there's been a few discrepancies here. Anyway, yeah, that's arbitrage machine. But okay, let's move on to Doubly now. I've made a few videos on Doubly.io. Right now, what are they doing? They seem to be having some special offer right now on some of the trading packages. You have the standard package, exclusive package, and VIP package. So they seem to be doing a sell now. 30% sell on the exclusive packages, and 30% sell on the VIP package, and it's only available up until the 18th of March. So some little kind of promotion going on there. Hopefully it's a good thing going on, but like I said, you never know when they're doing these these promotions, what what they're trying to do. Is it a money grab or something else? But as you can see so far, if we go into the investments now, I mean, if we go to my payouts now, what are my investments actually? You can see this is yeah, the status is over 100% already. So most people in this list is will have received their payments out already, so they're in profit already basically. So basically all these people here are the people that's below me or above me or under me or as part of the same team. So yeah, as you can see, the status is all over nearly 100%, so everyone should be in profit now, more or less. So there's a few here that's not, maybe just these are the recent investments into the system. So yeah, I mean, similar things seem to be working. You got my payouts as well. This is all based on the website as well. The Telegram bot seems to be working as well. But yeah, this is the update on Doubly IO's still paying for now. Yeah, so this one seems to be paying for now. They're doing a little promotion on the packages. So yeah, let's just let's wait and see what's going on there. There are a few more platforms that I'll be looking into in my next sort of videos now. It's specifically something different in the Tron space, decentralized application. There's a lot going on there right now with that. But yeah, guys, this is just some of the quick updates I'm making. I'll be investing in some more platforms and trying out some more things. I'll speak to you later, and yeah, thank you.